Hey guys, welcome back. For part 2 of your skills lesson today, we're going to be talking about different types of sentences. So there's 2 different types of sentences that we've learned about. What type of sentence ends with a period? It's a statement. Sentences that end with a period are statements. Turn to somebody in your house and tell them a statement. I'll give you an example. My pencil is red. Easy. All right, what type of sentence ends in a question mark? Go ahead and draw a question mark in the air. A question, right? Go ahead and turn to somebody in your house and ask them a question. Like, why does Miss Diorio have a plug in the middle of her wall? We don't know. Okay, I'm going to play you a brain pop video today to kind of help us understand the difference between statements and questions. We've been watching the vocab, so feel free to go back to the other videos and watch that vocab video if you like that better. But I figured we'd try with a brain pop today to kind of help us better understand the different types of sentences. So let me pull that up for you. Nope. Technical difficulties.
This is hard for me to read, Modi.
Oops, sorry, guys.
There aren't any punctuation marks, and all of your sentences run together. The right punctuation tells your reader how to read your writing. This sentence is a statement and needs a period. What is a statement? A statement is a sentence that tells something. Let's see. Moby likes dolphins. This is a statement that shares information. This little dot is a punctuation mark called a period. Right, Moby. A sentence always ends in a period. Moby jumps into the ocean. A period signals the end of a thought or an idea. He swims with the dolphins. Remember, you always capitalize the first letter of a sentence. The capital letter signals the start of a new sentence. But not all sentences are statements. That's a good question, Moby. What is a question? A question is a sentence that asks something. Questions usually begin with the words who, what, where, when, why, how, can, or do. Moby, I don't think dolphins eat ice cream. Let's see. What do dolphins eat? You always use a question mark to punctuate a question. And you always capitalize the first letter. Dolphins eat fish and squid. How do dolphins communicate? They click, squeak, creak, and whistle. Remember to capitalize the first letter. I don't think I've ever seen you this excited, Moby. What are exclamations? Yep, dolphins are amazing. This sentence is an exclamation. An exclamation is a sentence that shows a strong feeling. An exclamation can show feelings like excitement, happiness, sadness, anger, or surprise. You use an exclamation mark to punctuate an exclamation. Wow, I see a manta ray. Follow that manta ray, Moby. What is a command? A command is a direction or an order to do something. Look at that shark. This command ends in an exclamation mark. I can think of tons of commands, like stop, wait, listen, go, and run. Commands can end with a period, too. Please tell me the name of that shark. I don't think its name is Jeff. I think it's a nurse shark. Punctuation helps readers understand your writing, so it's important to proofread your punctuation after you write. Perfect, Moby. What ocean animal are you going to write about next?
Moby the mermaid. So that video talked about commands and exclamations too. We've talked a little bit about exclamations, which is the exclamation point we put at the end of our sentences. Today, I just want you to focus on periods and question marks. Statements and questions today. Okay? If you want to add exclamation points to your writing on your own, be my guest. We would love that. Okay, I'm going to read you a sentence. I want you to tell me if it is a question or a statement, and then either draw a period in the air or draw a question mark in the air. First one, did you like the story we read yesterday? Is it a statement or a question? Did you like the story we read yesterday? Is a question, right? I'm asking you, did you like the story we read yesterday? I hope so. So we're going to draw a question mark at the end. It is windy outside today. Is that a statement or a question? Am I telling you something or asking you something? Telling you, so it's a statement. So we're going to do a period at the end. Did you have fun at the parade yesterday? Is that a statement or a question? Question, right? Draw that question mark. I'm asking you if you had fun at the parade yesterday. If you went to a parade yesterday, I would be so jealous. That sounds fun. All right, next one. Our books are fun to read. Statement or a question? Statement, right? Telling you, our books are fun to read. I think they are. So we're going to put a period at the end. Okay. In that video, it also talked about, as a reminder to you, that all sentences need to start with a capital letter, right? So I have a sentence here. Take a second and read that one. You're going to notice some things that are wrong with it. It says, can you fetch the book? Now, two things I want you to look for are punctuation at the end, capital at the beginning. Is this a capital? Nope. So I'm going to cross that out, make it a capital C. Now, what kind of punctuation would go at the end of the sentence? Can you fetch the book? Period or a question mark? Question mark, right? Because I'm asking you, can you fetch the book for me? So we're asking a question. Next one. Number 2. Look for capital at the beginning, period at the end. Tell me what I need to fix, because I didn't do it right. It says, the chicks hatched. Do I have a capital at the beginning? What do I need at the end? I'll fix my capital. You tell me what I need at the end. The chicks hatched. Is it a statement or a question? Statement, right? So just period. Remember, you don't need to make your periods huge. You can just do a tiny little dot like that, as long as you can see it. All right, next one. Number 3. Take a second and read it. Ben cooks in the kitchen. All right, what do I need? capital B at the beginning of my sentence, and then question mark or period. Is it a statement or a question? Statement, right? I'm telling you Ben cooks in the kitchen, period at the end. I'm going to change it to a capital B, period at the end. All right, last one. I'm going to fold my paper over. Hold on. There we go. Give you a second to read it. Will Sal get a pet? What do I need to do? Fix this sentence. Need a capital at the beginning, right? And then what's going to go at the end? Is this a question or a statement? Will Sal get a pet? Gave you a big hint with my voice there. It's a question, right? So I'm going to put question mark at the end, change the W to a capital W, and we fix our sentence. Your job today, if you go into Google Drive, you're going to see something that says fix the sentences. Now, you're not going to be able to type this up and do it on your own. You're going to have to get a piece of paper and write them out. So, there's 3 sentences here. 1, 2, 3. I need you to write them out, fixing it so there's a capital at the beginning and a period or a question mark at the end. You need to decide. So you're going to get your own piece of paper and you're going to rewrite these sentences. So you're not going to type them out. You're going to write them on your own, practice your handwriting. These 3 sentences, capital at the beginning, period or question mark at the end. Sound good? You can submit it on Google Classroom or send it to your teacher on Dojo. Either way is perfect. We love to see your work. Keep up the great work, guys. I will see you tomorrow.